Well, hey everybody, good afternoon, or good evening actually. It's almost 7 o'clock. Hey, I'm Scott Swinford, American Hero Home Loans, Hancock Mortgage Partners, and it's Red Friday. It's been, uh, it's been a long week, a lot of hours, but that is a good thing because we're able to help out a lot of our borrowers, a lot of our veterans, military members, and I'm all for it. Um, if you haven't seen our Red Friday videos in the past, every Friday, we do a video just as a big shout out to our deployed service members and their families. Red meaning not only the color, but remember everyone deployed. So for our service members who are deployed, whether they be active duty, National Guard reserves, and their family members, the ones who are at home or are missing them, missing their mom, dad, brothers, sisters, sons, daughters, aunts, uncles, um, you name it. We appreciate not only their service for what they're doing to protect us, as well as the sacrifice that their families are going through while they're gone. So thank you very much. And that's why we do this. We just want to give a big shout out to all those folks because we do appreciate them. Certainly, we can't not talk about our veterans, the ones who've been there, done that, the ones who served, who's got the scars, uh, whether physically, mentally, both. The ones that have had a tough time, but that have come back and that are doing their best to make it through, and we owe them. We certainly owe them a debt of gratitude for what they've done, and we want to help them out too. Um, and of course, we got a big shout out to our first responders, our police, fire, EMS. I think they've said in the last several days they've had 6 police officers that have been shot across the United States. Absolutely unacceptable. Unacceptable. We need to back the blue. We need to support those folks. We need to support our military, our fire, our police, our EMS, the ones who are out there that are putting their lives and themselves on the line to protect us. So for all of you that are doing that, thank you very much. Just real quick tonight, as usual, we talk about what Team Red, White, and Blue is doing. They've got some really cool stuff going on. I saw Land posted yesterday, and Paula quite a bit, even Vanessa. They've got an indoor triathlon next month that they're talking about. So if you're interested in seeing what Team Red, White, and Blue Northwest Indiana does, check them out. We'll put their Facebook page here in the comments. And always Regroup Foundation. It's another group that's out there that's trying to reduce our veteran suicide as well as veteran homelessness, and that's something that we certainly should all be supporting, um, whether it be that group or just in general to try to decrease the number of veteran suicides and the amount of veteran homelessness. So, um, folks, really, that's about all I've got for tonight. Again, it's been a crazy long week. I'm tired. It's just been a lot of hours. But the good thing is, and what keeps me going, honestly, is we're able to help a lot of our clients. We're doing a little bit more, planning some more education events for our veterans and our real estate agents to help them better serve our veterans. Um, and we want to do whatever we can to advocate and educate for our military members so that when they're looking at housing, certainly I can help them with that. But if there's other things that you need, we want to be kind of that cog in the wheel. We want to be able to know where to help you get the information that you need, and then help you provide it. If you've got problems, try to help them. Try to at least do what we can to make them a little bit easier, to try to solve some of the problems. And if we can't, at least find someone who can assist you with it. So, folks, with that, just have a great night. Enjoy your weekend. We're supposed to get some snow. From what I was watching the weather forecast, I'm hoping this is not true, but we're supposed to get a lot of snow potentially come next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So make sure that you're prepared. Stay safe, stay warm. Um, Again, if you can, and do me a favor. If you've got a family member who is a service member, whether they're deployed, not deployed, veteran, National Guard Reserve, reach out to them this weekend. Just say hi. If you see them, shake their hand, tell them I said thank you, but just reach out to them. Let them know that we really do appreciate what they do, and as well as our first responders. And I can tell you right now, our police officers really need that. There's some things going on here locally where um, some folks have been talking bad about the officers in their town, and unfortunately, it's coming from some council members. But what's happening throughout the U.S., again, with all the officers that have been shot within the last several days, we appreciate them. Please let them know that we back them, that we have got their backs, and if they get into a situation and um, they need assistance, we'll do whatever we can to help them out. I'm not talking vigilantism, anything like that, but we're going to certainly back our officers, help them out, do anything we can, because they are there for us, and that's what they do, and they do their job so selflessly. So, um, again, folks, have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you again next Friday. If there's anything you need from me, let me know. If you know of any events or anything that's coming up for veterans, veteran backers, anyone who'd be interested, let me know. Either post it in the comments here or reach out to me and let me know. But again, we're here to try to get the word out, get the events out there, and provide the most assistance we can for those who are out protecting us. Take care.